Can you get classic car insurance at 17 in League City, Texas? Insurance is considered as one of the most important factors that one must carry when you're planning to drive a car. There are many policies available in the market which are categorized according to age, sex, location, model of the car and experience. If the driver is planning to apply for an insurance as a clean driving record and a good experience, the premium amount which has to be paid for that particular policy will be less when compared with the premium amount for a driver who has a poor driving record. Among different policies, young person's car insurance is considered as the most difficult policy to be approved. Persons who are below 25 years of age are applicable for young person's car insurance policy. Depending upon the gender and location the applicant belongs to apart from the car they are planning to drive will provide them the correct price for the premium. Driving records are a must verifiable factor which also increases or decreases the premium amount for this particular policy. As many accidents that occur involve drivers below 25 years of age, usually insurance providers charge higher premiums for this particular policy. There are different ways through which the applicant can bring down the overall premium charges to affordable range so that they can easily make the payment for the premium of the policy. The foremost important factor that the applicant has to consider is to reduce red markings in their driving record. This can be carried out by carrying out a clean drive apart from joining a local driving school where they will obtain all the necessary instructions that has to be followed as a driver. Young person's car insurance provided by different service providers can vary according to the location of the applicant. In order to obtain the best policy, you're required to carry out a small search which will enable you to lay your hands on the policy that will provide you maximum coverage. The other option is the premium for young person's car insurance policy can be reduced is to add a teenager to their parents' insurance policy. Many of the insurance providers provide this particular process which involves shedding out few extra dollars but still less than the premium that the applicant will have to shell out for a single policy. There are many websites available over the internet which provides you complete information regarding different policies available from different insurance service providers. Hence you can search over the internet and also compare the policies which will help you zero onto a particular policy which will help you opt for the same and make an affordable payment for premium.